Do you know why so many people are switching their coffee or chai with matcha? Or maybe you already have matcha in your life, but you might be missing some of its best secrets. There is so much more to this green powder than you might think. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this green powder is, why your body loves it, and how to make it taste amazing. By the way, I'm Ilaria, founder of Alearia. We're based in Amsterdam and we source the highest quality matcha from Japan. As you can see, I'm not in Amsterdam right now. I'm in India, my second home, where I will spend now half of the year. It's such a beautiful place, so full of life and color, and I'm so excited because I'll be attending my first Indian wedding here this year. And I have some big news. I just got engaged. I'm so happy, and I'm still trying to process everything. It all started with a Tinder match that completely changed my life. Our wedding will be a beautiful blend of three different cultures: Italian, Indian, and Egyptian, and I can't wait to share that journey with you along with everything in between. So, on this channel, I will share not only matcha tips but my travels, my wedding moments, and my life here. So, if you like to learn about different cultures and healthy tips, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next videos. Let's go back home and let's go make matcha together. What is matcha exactly? Let's start from there. Matcha is a type of green tea that grows in a special way compared to normal green tea. 3 weeks before the harvest, the plant is covered by shade, and this allows to produce more chlorophyll and L-theanine. To get matcha into powder, we use big stones to grind them, and this is a very slow process. To make just one small tin, which is about 30 grams of matcha, it takes 1 full hour of grinding. And also, if the stone gets too fast, it burns the leaf. So by going slow, we keep all the nutrients and the beautiful taste inside. This is why the quality is high and why it takes so much time to make. So if your matcha looks yellow or brown, that means it's either low quality or old. Your matcha should always look vibrant green. A lot of people ask me, so why should I stop drinking coffee? Well, you don't have to stop. But let me tell you why I prefer drinking matcha in the morning. When you drink coffee, the caffeine goes into your blood very fast. You feel a big spike of energy, but after 1 or 2 hours, you crash. You feel tired and maybe a bit nervous. With matcha, you feel focused and calm for 4 to 6 hours without racing hearts and without feeling tired later. It is great for your brain and great for your mood. So matcha has caffeine, yes, but it also has a special ingredient called L-theanine. This is the secret. The L-theanine helps the caffeine to release into your body very slowly. This is what I call the calm energy, where you feel focused and calm at the same time. Now, let's talk why matcha is like a superpower for your body. It's not just a tasty drink, it's the healthiest thing you can put in your body. There are 4 reasons why I drink it every day. Let's look at them one by one. Reason number 1. Matcha is full of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as little bodyguards for your cells. They protect your body from getting sick and help you stay young. 1 bowl of matcha has the same amount of antioxidant as 10 cups of regular green tea. It has a special one called EGCG, which is known for helping the body stay healthy. Reason number 2. Studies show that drinking matcha helps to lower bad cholesterol, and bad cholesterol is like trash that can get stuck in your blood. Matcha helps clean that up, and when your cholesterol is low, your heart doesn't have to work so hard. So if you want a healthy heart for a long time, matcha is a great friend. Reason 3 is my favorite. Matcha helps your body burn energy faster. If you're trying to stay fit or lose a little weight, matcha can help your body use its fat for energy. So in easy words, matcha is like a fire for your internal engine. It helps your body turn food into energy more efficiently. That's why a lot of people drink it before doing sports. It is not a magic pill, but it's a natural way to help your body stay active. Reason number 4 is your skin. Because it cleans your body from the inside, you will see a glow on your face. Your skin looks cleaner and more fresh. So now that you know why it's so good for your body, how do we make it? For sure, you don't need a kitchen full of equipment. You just need a few simple, beautiful tools. Let's look at them. First is the chawan. This is a Japanese bowl. It's wide and has a flat bottom. This is very important because you need space to move your hand when you whisk it. Second, the chosaku. This is the bamboo spoon and it has a little hook. Usually 2 scoops are perfect for 1 bowl. Third, and this is very important, is the sifter, which is just a small metal strainer. And finally, the chasen, the bamboo whisk. When you first buy the chasen, this part is curved and hard, so make sure to step into warm water for about 2 minutes. This is the secret to make the perfect foam and to make sure the bamboo doesn't break. Now, let's make matcha together. I will show you every step. If you follow these tips, your matcha will never be bitter again. We take our bamboo spoon and put 2 small scoops into the sifter. Don't skip this if you don't want to have clumps in your drink. Now gently push the powder through the sifter. Add only a bit of water first. This is the most important part. Never use boiling water. If the water is too hot, it burns the tea and makes it taste like grass. If you don't have a thermometer, let your boiling water sit for 2 minutes. We want it to be around 80 degrees Celsius. Now, take your whisk and gently dissolve the powder with that little bit of water. Use a simple circular motion here. We want to blend all the powder into a smooth paste first. Then add a little bit more water. Here, don't stir in a circle. Move your hand very fast back and forth. We want to make a W motion with our wrist. This way, we are not just mixing, we are adding air, and this air creates the crema on top. When you see tiny beautiful bubbles, you're done. It should look like a green cloud. If you don't have a bamboo whisk yet, you can use an electric whisk. But I don't really recommend it because you compromise the foam and the flavor, and you don't fully dissolve the powder. You will often see tiny clumps in your cup instead of a smooth, creamy matcha. Once your matcha is ready, you can pour it into your cup. I then add a bit of hot water to fill the cup, and I personally like it with only a bit of milk on top. I highly recommend the coconut and the rice milk combo. I think it's the perfect balance. Of course, if you prefer a traditional latte, you can always add your milk directly, hot or cold, especially if you're not using a good quality matcha or if you just started. Now, our matcha is ready. Another thing you should know is that matcha, yes, is amazing, but you should not drink it too much. Because it has a whole leaves, it's very concentrated, and most experts recommend 1 to 3 cups a day. Matcha has something called tannins. These are natural, but they can stop your body from absorbing iron from your food. So if you have low iron or you're vegan or vegetarian, you should be careful. So best not drink matcha while you're having your lunch or dinner. Wait at least 1 hour after your meal, and this gives your body time to get the iron from your food first. If you drink it at the same time as your food, you might feel tired because of low iron over time. So moderation is the secret to health. So now you know what it is, why it's so good for your body, heart and cholesterol, and exactly how to whisk it. Remember, always sift your powder, use 80 degrees water, and don't drink it with your meals to keep your iron high. I hope this helps you to start your own healthy routine at home. If you have any questions about your whisk or powder, please leave a comment below. I read all of them. And if you want to try the matcha I used, link is in the description. Don't forget to like the video if it was helpful for you and subscribe for the next adventure. Thank you for watching and enjoy your matcha. Ciao!